time to be at home with no diapers and baby socks.
You don't have to, Jill. I'll be the stay-at-home dad.
We got 10 hungry piggies there in the back. You can practice on them. Just pull over, feed them.
That little ham hock.
You've got to hurry up. Shh.
He's a cute little bugger.
Why are you not using your claws?
Would you please just shut up? I'm on it.
Just use your claws.
Be quiet.
Your claws.
I don't have any claws, all right?
Was that ham hock?
Sleepy, sleepy, big fat piggy. You babysit. Soft paws.
Do we have a monkey?
Well. Hello, beings of legend. Let's go.
Well, well, well. Look what we have here, Jill.
You messed with our baby.
And you took my beans.
Sausage bomb!
Oh, you're gonna pay for this! So second cat!
Signal the end. Yes.
Okay,
Ready?
set, go!
All right, Pat, give me them beans. Is it true a cat always lands on its feet?
No! That is just a rumor spread by dogs!
Well, let's find out.
See, I told you I wouldn't let you down.
You think this is over?
Hey, that was close.
Now!
We just gotta make it to that bridge. Hang on.
Captain, there is no bridge.
Trust me.
We're going to die!
I hate cats.
This is war!
Giant's castle. Here we come.